Good morning. I'm Associate Professor Dr. Humpet Chantavong, Vice President of the National University of Laos. Distinguished President, Rector, Vice Chancellor, guests of honor, professor and participant, all lecture professor and staff member from Asia Pacific Women Information Network Center, Sok-Mun Women University. Ladies and gentlemen, students from Laos and Korea, it is my great honor and privilege to be invited to the 2020 online training on women empowerment through ICT skills and leadership education. Cooperation by the National University of Laos and Sok-Mun Women University of Korea. Today is very special opportunity for us to assemble here, in which we will be sharing our practical experience and lesson gained to provide education and innovation on ICT and leadership skills to our women students to contribute to the national socio-economic development. It is crucial that knowledge cross border to share and move forward interinstitutional collaboration to education and training our future citizens who will be development in the region. Especially, we will focus on the exploration of the best model in practice in the worldwide difficult time of fighting COVID-19 pandemic. Ladies and gentlemen, the National University of Laos is set to become the higher education center for the country, with the stronger regional and international linkages. We have more focus on the development aiming to enhance and provide high education human resource. Training in the country and socio-economic development in response to the regional integration Korean plus ASEAN community. National University of Laos' mission, vision, goal, and strategy to strongly encourage higher education institutions to provide the graduate of the high international quality equipped with professional skill, language skill, and intercultural skill. In order to fulfill this ambition, the strategic call for close attention and focus on science and technology, language education, educational student mobility program, and cultural exchange program within the ASEAN member states outside the world. As we are giving the good cooperation from the Sok-Mun Women University, I do hope that the 2020 UNESCO Youth Between Training Program held this time will help to build a strong academic tie while developing mutual understanding among the university students, as well as those participants interested in the theme, coming from different faculty and major. On behalf of the National University of Laos, I do hope that the training organized this time will be the productive and informative catering for the participants from the National University of Laos and Sok-Mun Women University. I would like to wish the 2020 online training on women empowerment through the ICT skill and leadership education to be success. I am pleased to learn and collaborate with the Sok-Mun Women University authors on this hard time of COVID-19 pandemic. I believe and confirm that the National University of Laos is pleased and ready to work with you closely. Once again, congratulations to you for reaching important training program on education cooperation by two universities, and thank you for inviting National University of Laos to be part of it. I am looking forward to the international education cooperation within National University of Laos and Sakmun Women University successful in the near future. Thank you so much for your time and wish all of you healthy life and success in the work professional life. Have a good day coming. Thank you very much.